Did you know the average American cannot cover a $100 emergency? $100 is not a lot of money, but you can save money for an emergency fund with small amounts of money, and it will just take a little time. We're using small amounts of money plus time to save money for an emergency fund. So if you don't have an emergency fund, join me in this savings challenge, and this will help you get emergency fund started and keep it going. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2026. Let's save more money in 2026, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund. And you will be happy when you have some money to tap into if an emergency comes. You don't want to be in this situation when an emergency comes. No, you don't. You want to have some money to tap into. And I have 7 savings challenges. And today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 7, which I do on Sundays. And it is working with small amounts of money. When we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. And what you need for this savings challenge is a container. And we're going to use this container to store the money in, because this container here, this container is the money from 2025 savings challenge, and it's all completed. I just haven't taken it to the bank yet to take it to the coin store to see how much is in it. But it's, according to what I've been recording in my planner, it should be $1,000 in it. See this? Oh, look at it. And it's awfully heavy. So my plans is to go to the bank tomorrow to cash this in. So we're going to start off in 2026 today with this container until I get this one empty. And what else you need is some change. Yeah, we're working with change. Now, at some point, we all have change. Now, we're stuffing this with $20 worth of change every week, every Sunday. Now, don't put yourself in any bind doing these savings challenges. If you can do it every week, do it every 2 weeks. If you can't do it every 2 weeks, do it every 3 weeks, once a month. But do something. Add it in as you can. Do what you can, when you can, and how you can. Because you don't want to be in a situation where you have to run out and get one of these, and run up a bunch of these when emergency comes. This here is this. We want to stay out of this, okay? And we want to stay out of this because we pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Yeah, and it keeps us in a hole. We want to get out of this. And once we get out of this, don't get back into it, okay? Now, this is a great savings challenge if this is your situation. And if it is, do whatever you can to increase it. You want to have multiple streams of income, not just one, because you never know what's going to happen to the one. And you want to have some money to fall back on. And this is a great savings challenge if this is your situation and this is your situation. Surely, out of your income, you should be able to take out $20 a week, okay? And if you can, like I said, increase your income. That will also help. Now, we know we want to save at least $1,000, and that will cover emergency up to $1,000. But we don't want to stop there. We want to say 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. Sit down and calculate what your living expenses are for the month. And start eliminating things you don't need. Write it all down. Say, well, I need this, and this, but I don't need this, and this. And that will help you also. You want to calculate your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses for 3 to 6 months in case something like this here happens. If this happens and you have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses saved, you can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your life insurance. You can still buy food. You can keep things going until your situation changes. And if something like this happens, you will have money to tap in to take care of those things. Yeah, like I said, you don't want to be in this situation when emergency comes. That's right. And another thing that will help, live on less than what you make. Watch your spending. Don't spend money like there's tomorrow. Don't spend money just buying things you don't need. That money can go towards your $1,000 emergency fund and your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. You want to be prepared, and that's why I come up with these videos, because I'm seeing, even though I came across an ad that said the average American cannot cover a $100 emergency, I'm coming across a lot of people that don't have an emergency fund. So we want to have an emergency fund. And like I said, I got 7 savings challenges to help us. And another thing, go grocery shopping, buy food and meal prep. Stop eating out so much, because eating out is expensive. Yes, food is going up, but it costs more to eat out than it does to eat at home. Okay? Now, we have what we're doing is daily affirmations. The Bible teaches us death and life is in the power of the tongue. We have what we say, call those things as be not as though they were. We're speaking these things. Do you know you can literally speak things into existence? I will keep you here all day telling you things that I have spoken to existence. So you can do the same thing. So write these affirmations down and speak them daily, all day, as much as you can. Okay. I decree and I declare large sums of money now come to me. I decree and I declare I am prosperous. Send prosperity down. I decree and I declare I am debt free. I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare my checking account and savings account balance is, and speak what you want it to be. Okay? I decree and I declare all of my bills are paid in full and all my needs are met. I decree and I declare I do not live in lack or want. I decree and I declare I am financially free. I decree and I declare I am a money magnet. I decree and I declare I am a rich, wealthy, multi-millionaire right now. Okay? Believe it, receive it, expect it, and start visualizing it, seeing it in your mind. Because when you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. All right? Okay, so today, like I said, we're going to be adding $20 worth of change to I call this our money jar savings challenge. And like I said, this one here is from 2025, from 2024 to 2025, and it's going to be going to the bank tomorrow. Okay, so we have here $10 worth of quarters, see 10, $5 worth of dimes, 15, and another $5 worth of dimes. That's 20. Okay, so let's add it to our money jar. Okay, 10. Come on out. 15. 20. Yay! $20. This is the first change savings challenge for 2026. Okay, let me go ahead and record that in my planner. Now you can write your affirmations down in a planner like this. That's where you'll have them. Okay, so today is Sunday, January 4th, and this is our money jar savings challenge. And we added $20. And the total amount is $20. So By the end of 50, this is a 52-week savings challenge. It should be at least $1,000 in here. Okay? All right. So I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video was helpful. I hope something was said to help you. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.